transport.
Hi, is this the delivery guy?
Yeah, we're a transport company.
I'm just wondering if you can help me.
Okay.
You know, like we're on lockdown at the minute and people aren't allowed out.
Yeah.
Are you allowed out?
We're allowed out because we're classed as key workers.
Oh, that's amazing then. I'm just wondering if you can deliver something for me.
Sure. What is it you want going?
I don't want anything going, but I want it coming. I want 6 chicken nugget meal. Because all the McDonald's are shut, I've not had chicken nuggets for ages and I'm proper starving.
Who's this?
My name's Tim. I just want a McDonald's. With a chocolate milkshake.
We all want McDonald's, Tim.
So if you can get a McDonald's, then you can get yourself one.
How old are you, Tim?
I'm 3, nearly 6, and my mum, she's in bed. Oh, that's a good idea. Maybe you could deliver my mum to the shop so she can go and get some milk and bread.
There's something we can do for you, Timmy. I don't know where we're going to get chicken nuggets from because all the McDonald's are shut.
Well, you're the driver. You go somewhere and get it.
I'll have to look at my contact.
Yeah, you get in your contacts and you ring Ronald. Get him to send me some chicken nuggets and you deliver them.
Where do you want to drop it off, Tim?
In my bedroom.
Right, okay. So how much McDonald's do you want? Because that depends on the size of the vehicle.
Well, have you got a big wagon?
I've got a very big wagon.
Right, fill it. I just want 1 McFlurry because I can't eat 2.
So you want me to fill it with just chicken nuggets with 1 McFlurry?
You know what? You've got it all up here, you have. That's exactly what I was thinking. You can have one as well if you want.
I really do appreciate that.
Just the one as payment. How's that?
Just chicken nuggets. 1 nugget. What we'll do is we'll send you an 18-tonner for all your chicken nuggets, and all it'll cost you is 1 chicken nugget.
Deal.
I need to get hold of my contacts to see if I can get hold of Ronald McDonald so we can sort these chicken nuggets out. It might take me an hour or so, but I'll have to get back to you.
That's perfect.
Let me just write this down for you. So we need to contact Ronald McDonald for a truckload of chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
And 1 McFlurry.
Just the one because I can't eat 2.
You've got to have barbecue sauce with it, Tim.
Yeah, I want barbecue sauce, ketchup and sweet chilli.
Right, how many of those?
Well, how many chicken nuggets have I got?
A few cases in there for you.
Yeah, I need loads of dips.
Oh, you're killing me, Tim.
Sorry, I don't want to do that. Oh, this is the best day ever. I'm having a McDonald's delivered to me. Yeah, boy. Right, I'm gonna have to go. I need to pick the flowers.
Alright, you pick them flowers and tell your uncle and Smackhead Steve everything. We'll get sorted.
Alright, I'll tell him. Can I just ask you?
Yeah?
Are you my real dad? It's gone. I don't think it's my real dad.
Transport.
Hi, is this the delivery guy?